Assalamu alaikum. So we are going to start problem number 1 of chapter number 10 matter. A block of mass 0.1 kg is attached to a spring and placed on a horizontal frictionless table. The spring is stretched 20 centimeter when a force of 5 Newton is applied. Calculate the spring constant. So here we are going to find out the spring constant when a block of mass 0.1 kg is attached to a spring on a horizontal surface, and then the spring is stretched 20 centimeter with the force of 5 Newton. Mass is 0.1 kg, extension which is x is 20 centimeters. 20 centimeter is, now we are going to convert it into meters. So 20 upon 100 is equal to 0.2 meters. Force is 5 Newton and spring constant K is unknown. For finding out this, we have the formula F is equal to Kx. F is equal to Kx means we have to find out this K. So F upon X is now the formula, and K is equal to 5 upon 0.2 meters, which is equal to 25 Newton. So we are going to write down the result, that is spring constant is 25 Newton. Problem number 2 is a block of mass 92 kg and volume 0.031 meter cube lies at the bottom of the sea. How much force is needed to lift it? Take 1.03 into 10 power 3 kilogram per meter cube as the density of the sea water. The density of the sea water is 1.03 into 10 power 3. The density of pure water is 1 kilogram per meter cube. Alright, so we have a block of mass 92 kg which lies at the bottom of the sea and which has the volume of 0.031 meter cube. So here we are going to apply the Archimedes principle, in which we are going to find out the force, upthrust force, and after that we are going to find out how much force is needed to lift that block upward. So the mass is 92 kg, volume is 0.031 meter cube, and density is, rho is the sign of the density, which is 1.03 into 10 power 3 kilogram per meter cube. You can write down as it is, or you can convert it like 1030 kilogram per meter cube. And this for finding out the solution, we have the formula number 1, U is equal to V rho G, which is used for finding out the upthrust force. Then W is equal to mg, simple, and F is equal to W minus upthrust force. So we will find out the force which is needed to lift the block upward. So first is upthrust acting on the block, which is equal to U is equal to V volume rho G, which is 9.8 meter per second square. By multiplying these three, we get upthrust force, which is equal to 312.91 Newton. Weight of the block is W is equal to mg. Mass is 92 kilogram and gravitational acceleration is 9.8 meter per second square. By multiplying these two, we have weight, which is 901.6 Newton. So the force required to lift the block now is equal to W minus U. Here, with the help of Archimedes principle, we can find out the force which is required to lift the block upward, W minus U, which is equal to 901.6 minus 312.91, the upthrust force. Now the force is 588.69 Newton, which is required to lift the block upward.